let me point out what we just did. So there were 3 pink things, right? Do you guys remember the one that was at the beginning?
No.
Okay, so at the beginning, there was a pink summary, which was
x1 equals 0.
x1 is 0. Well, it wasn't this. It was,
No, it was something.
it was y1 is 12, y2 is 16, and z is 0.
Yes.
Okay? So what happened on my polygon is I started at the 0, 0 vertex that has no payout, right? And then I said, but I can do better. I can work at job 1. I'm only going to work at job 1, and I'm going to do that as much as I possibly can. The limiting factor there was prep, not hours. But I work some at job 1, and I end up with this. I end up working 8 hours at job 1. I still have some unused work time, 4 hours of it, and I'm making $320 a week. And then I said, but hey, I have unused work time. Let me work some more. I can't work any more at job 1, right? So I have to work at job 2. So now I'm going to play this game of, okay, I'm going to move to a vertex where I work some at job 2. What's the next vertex from here? So I play pivot games, and I get to here. And I find out that at this point, I'm working 4 hours at job 1, 8 hours at job 2, and my payout is $400. You guys see that? From here, I discovered that there's nowhere better to go. So this guy here is like, woo, right? Done with this. I can be done with this horrible pivoting.
So this is like on our square. We went from here up, and then we went over.
Yeah, so what there is in this problem is there's some kind of thing like this, right? There's some kind of 4-cornered polygon. And it doesn't look like this because this one's dorky, but it does look something like that. So I went from here, and I said, okay, I'm going to go in the job 1 direction. So that's this way. I'm going to get to here. Right? That was that first step. Then I said, hey, but I'm going to work some more. So I went to here. This is the best payout I can get. You guys see that? So you're going to follow this thing around from vertex to vertex, asking, hey, is there any way I can improve on this score? You guys see that?
So they say pivot operations because you're just saying, okay, this is where I'm at, now let's go over there.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's me just saying, okay, I'm here now. Is there a payout, right? Is there an edge that's going to get me further? Okay, there is. I'm going to go along that, and I'm going to go along that in the best possible way. That's that pivot thing. It's just me figuring out, hey, if I run along this until the next intersection, where is that? You guys see that? So I started at 0, 0. I went to 8, 0, and then I went up to 4, 8. So this picture's wrong, but it's the right idea. You guys cool? I probably should write a sentence for this. What's the answer as a sentence?
4 hours at job 1 and 8 hours at job 2.
Perfect.
To make $400 a week.
Yeah, so 4 hours at job 1, 8 hours at job 2 is max pay of $400. Boom. Check. Cool? Does that help solidify a little bit? Any questions? Thanks.